Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. So, quick question. Have you ever moved your shop or office to a better location, but your old customers still keep showing up at the old place? You'd probably want to leave a sign or redirect them, right? Well, the same thing happens with websites. Whether you've changed your domain name, launched a new landing page, or just want visitors to be taken somewhere else automatically, a proper website redirection is what you need. But here's the catch. If you mess it up, you could break your site's structure, confuse Google, or worse, lose your visitors completely. To avoid this type of situations, host your website with YouStable. Their clean and easy to use cPanel makes redirection super straightforward. Plus, their support team always got your back when things get tricky. That's why in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to redirect your website to any page or even an external domain the right way. All right, let's get into it. Let's learn how to redirect a website. Click Redirects. First, we have to select the type of the redirect, keeping this notification written under the Add Redirect heading in mind. Select the type of redirect. Open this drop-down list. Here we can either select one domain or select all public domains to redirect all of the domains controlled by the cPanel account. Let's select all public domains. Now, enter the rest of the URL from which you wish to redirect visitors. For example, if you wish to redirect http:/example.com/test to another URL, enter test in this text box. Now, test directory on all the public domains will be redirected. In the redirects to input box, enter the URL where you want the visitors to be redirected to. You should use any one of the three https:/protocols. Next option, www.redirection is disabled, as we have chosen to redirect the all public domains option earlier. If you choose to redirect a single domain, the www.redirection will be enabled. I explained to you all the three options one by one. Only redirect with www. Option redirects visitors who use the .prefix while typing the URL. The second option, redirect with or without www, redirects all the users. The third option, do not redirect www, doesn't redirect users who use the .prefix. I hope it is clear to you. Now, click the Add button. That's it. We have successfully redirected the test on all public domains to a different URL. Thank you for watching.